Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Lombana and I'm a full-time realtor, but I'm also the founder of the Agent Wealth Farm here with eXp Realty. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the reasons why I think you should be starting your own Facebook group to help you attract clients and qualified leads into your business. Now, this works amazing if you're a brand new agent or if you're working in a town where there is tons of competition. Now, before we get started, what I want you to do is just click the subscribe button, click the bell notification, because I'm putting brand new content every single week that's going to help you dominate your local market by leveraging Facebook groups, but also how to create generational wealth. All right, let's get started with the video. Okay, so just like I mentioned, we're going to be talking about some of the benefits and the reasons why I think you should be starting your own Facebook group today to help you grow your business. Now, creating your own group is going to serve you as a catalyst for meeting hundreds or even thousands of potential clients. Now, this is the bottom line. To get a deal, you need a client. And to get a client, you need them to do three things. First thing, they have to know you, they have to like you, and they have to trust you. And the best part about Facebook groups is that Facebook groups do all those three things and for free, which is of course unheard of if you're talking about advertising. So now that you have a rough idea why I love Facebook groups, why don't we talk about the reasons why I think you should start your own Facebook group. Reason number one, it's easy to build relationship with customers, okay? Now, the reason why it's easier to build relationship with customers is because once you have your own Facebook group, you're going to be able to post inside of the group, which means that the members of the group are going to see you interact often, okay? Now, because Facebook groups are so easygoing, you actually can have more touches with the members than if you were maybe door knocking or cold calling or even sending emails, right? Because you're not going to be harassed almost. So remember, to turn those leads into clients, you have to get in contact with them often. And just like I mentioned, with Facebook groups, you have that opportunity to have those touches more often, which means that the trust and rapport is going to increase way faster than if you were calling them, emailing them, or something else, okay? Now, of course, the other reason why it's going to be easier to build relationship with those members and customers is because inside of the group, you're going to be having more of a personal type of communication with the members, because you're going to start to know you as a person and not as a business owner or some person that it's really hard to get a hold of. So it's actually going to humanize you and make them see you as just another person there to help them. Now, the second reason why I think you should start your own Facebook group, especially if you're a brand new agent or have lots of competition, is because when you create your own Facebook group, you are the only realtor in the group. That means that you choose who comes inside of the group. You can reject any realtors that are trying to get into the group or any people that you don't want to work with, okay? Now, because there is no other realtors inside of the group, that means that there is no competition inside of the group. So the people that are inside of the group are going to be reaching out to you and nobody else in case they have any questions in regard buying, selling, investing in your area. Now, the other reason why I think it's so good to be the only realtor in the group is because you're going to be able to control the customer experience. You're going to be able to push them wherever you want them to, from lead to customer. So you can actually adjust that experience that they have inside of the group and how they're going to turn from leads into clients. Reason number three why I think you should start your own Facebook group is because Facebook groups provide the members a more relaxed personal experience. So what do I mean by that? It means that the members of the group are going to get to know you at their own pace, okay? Which means that there is no hard selling, because everything that you do inside of the Facebook group is going to be value driven. The fourth reason why I think you should create a Facebook group is because it's going to help you build trust and rapport with your local community. Now, why do I say that? Because you're going to become the expert in your local area or your specific niche, okay? You're going to be providing more value than the competition, because just like I mentioned before, everything that you do inside of the group is going to be value driven. So you're going to be able to give your members, your leads, so much more value more often than anybody else in town. And of course, by doing that, you're going to become a local celebrity. Reason number 5 is that Facebook groups are going to help you position yourself as the expert they know and trust, okay? Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because you're going to specialize on specific niche, or you can specialize on a specific location, and of course, you're going to be given non-stop value to your members inside of the group. And of course, by doing all that, they're going to see you as the expert they can trust. Now, the last reason why I think you should start your own Facebook group to attract clients into your business is because Facebook groups help you leverage your time. What do I mean by that? Well, instead of you door knocking to 50 houses and spending 4 hours doing so, you can actually just post something on your Facebook group, and all the members of your Facebook group are going to be able to see that post, which means that you didn't spend 5 hours trying to get a hold of 50 people. You only spent 10 minutes and you reached everybody inside of the group. Now, the second thing why you can leverage your time is because inside of the Facebook group, you're going to be able to only talk to people that are ready to turn into clients. If they're not ready to turn into clients, all they do is they hang out inside of the group, and of course they keep getting value from you until you're ready to become clients. And that's the people that you're going to get a hold of without reaching everybody in the group or wasting time with people that are not ready to turn into clients. So there you have it, guys. Those were the top 6 reasons why I think you should start your own Facebook group to attract qualified clients into your business without door knocking, cold calling, or even paying expensive marketing companies. Now, if you have any questions in regards how to start a Facebook group, how do I get people into the Facebook group, what do I do after they reach out to me if they want to become clients, all you have to do is there's going to be a bunch of links down below this video. You can book a call with me, 15-20 minutes. I can explain the whole process and how it would work in your business. And of course, if you want to move to the next step, we can do that. If this is not something that's going to work for you, it's okay. At least I got a chance to talk to you and learn about your business. All right, so again, hopefully you got value out of this video, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye bye.